Well, I just got a text message from Rick. It says I should bring home some hot dogs from Jimmy's. I guess that's what we're having for supper tonight. So I'm on my way to get the doggies. Okay, so I went to get the hot dogs, and then Rick texted me that he wants a large pizza. So I'll get the pizza, but I hope he didn't forget he told me to get hot dogs. I guess he's really hungry. All right. Okay, I'm on my way.
Time to eat, and I'm hungry. You know what I'm gonna have today? You know what I'm gonna have, don't you? Wait a minute, it's not here yet. It's on the way. 2 parts. Right back. Oh, it's gonna be good. I didn't eat all day except, yeah, I had eggs and corned beef hash and Girl Scout cookies, and I didn't have no lunch though. Alright. Stay tuned, I'll be right here with this good stuff. It'll be here in a minute. It's here, my food is here. Time to eat. Where am I? Finally, I'm so hungry. It's gonna be amazing. You're gonna like it. I'm gonna get something to drink too. What should I have to drink? Oh, cream soda. Oh, this diet cream soda. Diet cream soda. Too bad. Oh, whatever. Here it comes. Act surprised when she gets here.
Hello.
Time to eat.
I'm home.
Oh, good.
What are you, crazy hungry tonight or what?
Why? What do you want?
Well, it doesn't matter. But first you asked me to get hot dogs.
Yeah.
Then you asked me to get pizza.
8 hot dogs?
8 hot dogs. What are you, crazy?
Oh. Hot. Jimmy's hot dogs.
Well,
These are famous Jimmy's hot dogs.
that's
good.
hot out of the oven.
Hot, not too hot.
They just took it out. I was
All right.
afraid it
Let me
would.
fix this up.
Okay, I'm gonna let you alone
Oh!
to have your feast.
What should I have to drink? All I could find was Diet Cream Soda. Eee. This is yours, huh? Or do you want
No,
that?
I
You
don't want that.
Diet Cream
I don't want that.
Well, at least I'm on a diet. In Easton, Pennsylvania, Jimmy's hot dogs are famous. Famous since like 1902. I think I looked that up here. I might put a link down there too. In 1908, he started with a push cart in Easton, Pennsylvania. Then he opened a stand in Phillipsburg, which is right across the bridge, in 1910. Soldiers returning from World War II stopped at Jim's doggy stand before they went home to their wives and girlfriends. And I remember that stand was right by the river, and once, when I was young, a truck backed into it and knocked it into the river. I remember that. You remember that if you're from this area. Then they moved to a solid building right across the road there. And then they moved right down the street here in 1991. That's what they look like. These are always good. Jimmy's hot dogs. I'll put a link down there to the history. But what I'm going to do, historical or hysterical, is make myself a hot dog pizza.
Oh, you're making a hot dog pizza.
Oh. I can't see if it's in the screen there, so.
Sorry.
It's still very hot. So the hot dogs come like this. How much are these? $1 something each?
Yeah.
They're deep fried in peanut oil, which makes them different. And just get a regular one, you get mustard, onions, and pickle. And they're delicious. And this is what I'm going to do with them. Look at this. Buy hot dog pizza. Hurry up before they get. These are hot too. Yeah, everything's right down the road here. 8 slices, 8 doggies. Stand back, everybody. Turn away if you're offended. Gotta do it fast. Gotta do it fast. 8 slices, 8 doggies. We think hot dog fans, foodie lovers, carnival treats and eats and meats, sideshow freaks, Franken food, mukbang. Gonna have some. I'm sure they in here.
I saw them count them.
I bet they like to have 8 when you go in and say 2. Sometimes they say, how many you want? 15? They're funny. The old guy. Well, I think the old guy's retired now. After all those years, there was
The second oldest guy.
Yeah, 2
his
partners.
wife,
Hey, I tells ya, don't be late. The best hot dog pizza in the city. In the city. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, Jimmy's hot dog pizza pie. It's still hot, don't worry. What's the best slice? This one. Begin at the beginning, I always say. This is how you eat it. You fold your slice like that. First you get a bite with a pizza. Let you know what you're in for. Clear your palate a little bit. There comes the fun. That pizza's good. You having some?
Yeah, watch this first. The pizza's from Antonio's.
Oh, I thought it was from Steve's.
Nope, it's from
Okay.
Well,
that's good.
it's right next to
Jimmy's.
Jimmy's.
All right, good. Here we go. Can't wait. Just bite it. Oh. Woo. Onions, mustard, hot dog, pizza, pickle. Oh, it's going down good. Look at it. Oh.
Like the professionals.
Diet water, yeah. You gonna watch me eat this whole thing? In real time? It's gonna take a long time. But I'm gonna eat it. It's good. I really like it.
I'll get some food. Okay.
I don't want to be a hog. Everybody's equal in my eye. Indulge.
Thank you. Never had one of these
You're so
before.
generous. Pickle. Onions. Hot dog. Good, huh?
I gotta say, this is really good.
Want that one?
No, one is enough for me. But this kind of cheese with the hot dog.
And the onions, and the pickle, and mustard.
Good invention.
No, I don't think I saw this anywhere. But I do listen to food shows while I sleep, so I don't know. I was thinking of making this last month when I made the sausage pizza. You know what I mean? There's a bigger slice here. Slice almighty. Here we go. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, it's so hot yet. I'm glad it's hot. The meat is fresh. Antonio's, hey?
Yep.
You gotta get a bite first. He don't want it. He don't want it. That's a messy one. More snow coming. So you can make yourself one of these easy. You can. Get some hot dogs and get pizza. It's good. Wow. Oh my god. The voicemail from Sprint, if anybody's following the Sprint saga, a half a voicemail. You remember what I wanted to do with Sprint, right? This is just half a voicemail.
Hello, I'm calling on behalf of Sprint with a message for
Mammana Richard.
This is regarding a device you obtained from Sprint.
That's it. That's it. Who knows what they're up to now? Remember last week or the week before, I only tried to pay off my phone is all I tried to do. Some of you saw that. Sprint is terrible. And I also got the sister to the $1 million winner from yesterday. Oh, how would that be? Hot dog, pizza pie, and $1 million lottery ticket? I like the fresh ones. First about that part. That's good. So good. You want another one?
No thanks. That was good though. You're gonna eat all that?
Not all tonight.
Good idea. You'll get too stuffed.
Do I have a coin today? No. I'm penniless. Oh no, I'm not. I'm not penniless. I expect soon my phone not to work. I expect a fine or cops at the door or something. Because they're so... What's the word? So incompetent, Sprint's customer service. Remember what I won yesterday? Wash your fingers again. Oh! Oh!
What'd you win? $20
I
again.
won that yesterday. So tomorrow I'm going to go get another one. Tomorrow morning.
Congratulations.
Come on! Put 5 more zeros after that. Please. Thank you, lottery. Alright, I'm getting pretty full. Let me finish up my Delicious hot dog pizza pie. I love it. Look at the cheese going over that one. Looks like I ate it. When it cools down a little bit, it's just the right consistency, you know? What else I got?
Nothing.
I want to remind you that I'm going to review old radios on my other channel, Media Giant, which I didn't do yet. The channel's there, but I didn't do the old radios yet. I'm going to try to do one by tomorrow. Kyle reminded me of that too. If you like old radios, I'm going to plug it in, see if it works. Some are 30, 40, 50 years old or more. I have 20 or more of them, I think, down there. Plug it in, see if it works. If it don't work, I'm going to take it apart. Try to find out how old it is. Maybe I'll find a stack of money inside. Huh? Anyway, that's fun. That's on my other channel. Alright. Have a nice night. Make yourself a hot dog pizza. I love it. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep eating this. I'm going to have one more maybe. Then I'll have 3 left. Alright, give it a try. Thank you. Bye.